If you have struggled with social anxiety, you can relate to the first reason a lot. We overthink so many things, including how others see us. And that impacts our abilities to put ourselves out there and express ourselves authentically because we're so scared of being judged. And as a result, we end up not putting anything of ourselves out there, including our voice and our tone. People who are socially anxious just don't do anything. Like, they prefer to do nothing, because if they do anything, that's something that others can use to judge you. So we end up doing nothing, including having a tone. And if you think about it, putting a tone to your voice needs some sort of courage. The best example that I can think of is my situation right now. I'm speaking to the camera, being very loud, and I have roommates who might be hearing what I'm doing here. If I cared what they think about, I'd be speaking monotone to the camera because I'd be so scared of them thinking I'm weird or something.